footbed. And what that means is the part that comes in contact with your foot is actually polyurethane. So it's soft and it's got a suppleness to it, and it forms to your foot. Underneath that is EVA, which
the second you put these on, like I've been wearing cute little black heels, whatever, they're not, I'm feeling it. I'm starting to feel it on the cement. But the second I'm compelled, literally and physically, to spring forward, to take those extra steps. So this is something that you could wear all day long. Really
bed, so don't be worried that you're not gonna have the room. It will be there for you, and because it is putting your foot in that proper placement, it really cradles the foot.
It's because of how they make you feel. And every pair of Alegria shoes has our DNA in it, which means slip resistancy, which means a rocker bottom, which means our spread out. It's got a heel cup to hold your cradle, your heel. The interesting thing is you mentioned about the AP
design. I'm just like, oh, yeah. Now I have like motion back. Now I feel in my whole body instantly. Like my hips loosen up a little bit. My like lower back is like, oh, thank you for doing that. That was really nice. We should be doing this all of the time. And you don't want to wait.
It shifts the weight.
Yes.
Leah Williams and I were on AM Style, and Leah put on a pair of our clogs, our Mary Janes, and she got this look. Okay, you do feel taller because you have a tendency to, your abs in, chest out,
right,
shoulders back. It actually makes you feel, and that's
like sink into it, and I get that bounce back. And it's just like this full contact, like every part of my foot is touching the shoe.
But it's not too, there's a difference between soft. The first hour or two, it feels like heaven. Okay, it's like marshmallows. But unfortunately, that doesn't give you support.
Right, like a mattress.
And what we bring to the table today, the soft does not.
That's like a mattress. You crawl into a mattress that's super, super soft, and you're like, oh, I'm sleeping on clouds.
Yep.
And then halfway through the night, you're like, ow, wait a second. Pair it back with your whites and your ivories and your tans. This is the color for you. Then I'll take you over here and show you. Oh, so happy.
I know. It's
They're
really such a game-changing
so
feel.
Happy. And I was talking to Scott about this too, but like it's just
to get everything else lined up as well.
Oh, and there's a little just sort of representation of what you were saying with that Vio motion.
Exactly, that graph is showing you, it starts at that heel started with.
It's just so cool that you can get all that Vionic technology, which is podiatrist designed, into like the classic summer staple.
Right, exactly.
Which I had a pair once that I bought. I mean, it's a little small. But
teeny
God,
bit.
that feels
We're not judging.
So good.
Doesn't it feel so good? And then you have
like a little periwinkle stripe in there.
So much fun.
And then on QVC.com land, we have it in. Hold please, it's happening. Here it comes. I see. Really comfortable. Can we talk about sizing?
Yeah, I'd love.
They are called sand. So if you like that neutral, if you want,
the average woman when you buy one pair of shoes, you end up buying 3 to 5 that same year. And the reason why, it's because of the comfort.
Right.
And for your arch support. It's got a place for your toes to find certification. Atmos certification is not something that you buy. It's something that you under the arch of your shoe to give it the maximum wellness benefit.
I mean, I feel it not just in my feet, but
shifts the weight, which is such an important thing. I remember the first time I introduced Alegria on QVC 13, and I said, Leah, what's going on? She goes, whoa. She said, I feel taller. I said, what? She said, I feel like I'm standing up taller. My shoulders are back. My chest is out. And what happens is when your body is aligned correct, wear a pair of Alegria shoes, your body shifts and your weight that was on the ball of your feet shifts to your heel. And that's where that stand up straight type thing feels better.
And I got to say, maybe I'm
crazy.
It's
pretty remarkable, actually.
It is pretty remarkable. Maybe I'm crazy. It's almost like feels like a little like light massage for my feet too, because
and there's a difference between comfort. And what I mean by that is you can wear something soft. Is we bring you the comfort and the softness, but we also bring you the support. And the support's what lasts you 12, 14, 16.
Back hurt. You wake up, you have to do like extra stretches because you haven't had any support the entire time. Let me take everybody through colors real quick. Oh, well, first of all, the ones I'm wearing.
And a lot of shoes because they go with everything.
I'm just walking around because it feels so good. I'm serious. I'm just walking around because it feels so great.
Take it on vacation with you.
Oh my gosh, can these accidentally pop into my bag? I would love to have these on vacation with me. And then I'm in that sand.
That's
okay, so
right.
sale price is $66.98 when it's originally $80. It is my pick of the show. It's shipping for free. A little cherry on top. Give me up at 5 a.m.
Oh, I love it. I hope you're getting home to get some sleep.
There will be no sleep. I think pulling an all-nighter.
Sleep when you're on the beach.
That's it.
So this is, speaking of beach, this is your beach flip-flop. It's actually part of Vionic's beach collection of those flip-flops in our wardrobe. You either bought them from the store with the hook, or, you know, some of them. If there's any way to try Vionic if you haven't tried it before, this is the way to try it.
Oh, my feet are like your body, like click, 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 click,
right?
realigns into how it's supposed to be held.
Exactly. You know, when we wear shoes without support or a flip-flop, you know, just to give apples to apples, your flat already own. I look at this all the time now when I'm walking behind people, your sneakers, your flip-flops, you can see where they're worn on the inside because your feet are out of alignment. Once the feet are out of alignment, your whole body follows. So that's the beauty of that, of your feet. Everything else follows, and all of a sudden the knee pain, the back pain, all those little tweaks that we feel throughout the day start to dissipate because your foot is in the proper. When you're properly placed into that shoe, it lets you receive all of that arch support inside. And again, it's easy, right? The summertime comes, the beach vacation comes. Yeah. You want to slide in and go. And this is that. I was busting on Rosina last night because she doesn't do thong sandals. She's like, don't be mad at me. She doesn't. She's gonna wear slides on your vacation, and you can have her try one of these if there's.
Does she not?
She does not wear.
Oh well, I'm gonna.
I said I'm gonna make you a convert.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Right? We can do it.
That's so funny. We'll tag team her. We'll get her. We'll get her. Now, can these get wet if I'm wearing these to the beach?
They can get wet. They're even
last minute from a drugstore.
Right. We've all done it. We've all done it.
I was in so much pain. I felt all the heat coming through.
All the little rocks and things.
Every rock underneath my foot. And then I left them in my car to go have lunch, and I came back, and it was hot. It was Southern California. They had like balled up like a roly-poly.
I've seen that happen. That's happened to me. Like, or how about you're walking down the street and the plastic piece, which is why our girl Rosina does not wear them because it rubs your raw, will just come out. You'll be walking down the street and I was literally
8.5 primarily, so I go down to an 8. These are 7s because that's just what we have.
Right.
And I still feel like supported. I'm not hanging off of it.
Right.
So that's why that makes a lot of sense.
A bottom as well.
Why do you think I'm walking around so much? It's like a little like
it feels like a
squeezing
little
my foot
massage.
a little bit. Yes, it does.
And it's squishy, but it's supportive. So you have that density on the outside that's going to give you that support where those flat flip-flops literally fall flat because it's just nothing. You know, it's a little piece of rubber. This is giving you that EVA bottom. It's even got a little texture there.
I never want to take that off.
Right? You should say. They look cute with your outfit. You should totally do it.
Outfit, right? Okay, here come your colors. This is the amber yellow multi. Wearing it in the marlin blue multi. Did I just hear you're coming back at 1 a.m. on QVC?
I will be back at 1 a.m.
Full hour?
No, just for a little hit with Courtney and shoe shopping.
Okay, well that'll be fun.
Have a great vacation.
It's so good to see you. Thank you.
Great to see you.
I'll see you soon. Okay, so A726603 for these. If you missed anything, you can shop the show backwards by going to QVC.com.
Ravage these girls, rearrange them and tear them apart. So many loads.